Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're going to talk about sound bars. I'm going to give you a real cool demonstration of one. So here's the sound bar we have here. It's made by Tautronics. Unfortunately, they are no longer. So you can see that. She is right there. It's a wired sound bar. Not Bluetooth, but you can get Bluetooth sound bars. It was about $35. Bluetooth, $10-$50 more. Put it behind this computer. Now I'm going to show you what. This is powered. Here's the power here. USB right there. USB powered. There's the headphone in jack. So let's just listen to the sound of this computer. This is a 2007-year-old IBM ThinkPad. The monitor I use for work, and it still works now. I had to change the fan system out of there and the battery, and it works absolutely 100%. I upgraded the RAM too. And so let's listen to this. What this sounds like. Just on the sound card built in to the computer. Barely here, it's kind of. Let's turn this up a bit. Pause it. Let's plug it in. Plug in the headphone jack. So you can hear the dramatic change between computer soundboard and speakers compared with wired soundbar. Do it once again. Now these are not copyrighted songs. Ultramax Max, he gave me permission to use them. If I use ordinary music, I'll end up with a copyright strike. So that's been my before and after with a soundbar. If you have a computer and you're running factory speakers in your stereo, like whatever sound card you have in your stereo, it's gonna sound like crap. Even if you have a high-end machine, that sounds real good. Adding a soundbar will make it sound even better. So the better onboard sound you have in your computer, the better output you're gonna have on your soundbar. The soundbars come in wired and Bluetooth. It's up to you. Wired around $37, and Bluetooth around 45, something like that. So that's just in my. I'll put some Amazon links below. You can pick up a soundbar. In my opinion, anyone running a computer, for the price of it, get a soundbar. It's gonna make your life a lot better. They blow me away with the quality of sound of these things. So once again, links in the description for soundbars in the United States and Canada. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.